A little-known Taiwanese materials supplier just got mobbed by foreign buyers. And the stock shot up 25% in a single week. Taiflex Scientific hit an intraday record high of 201 new Taiwan dollars before closing at 192 new Taiwan dollars and 50 cents. And here's why that matters for your Nvidia and AMD portfolios. Subscribe to Taiwan Tech Pulse. We bring you what Taiwan's own analysts are saying before Wall Street catches on. Got a Taiwan tech story you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments. See, when you're tracking AI hardware, you're really tracking the whole chain, from chip design all the way down to the materials inside advanced circuit boards. And Taiflex sits right in that sweet spot. They make flexible circuit board materials and high-speed laminates that go into the kind of dense, high-performance electronics that AI servers and next-gen smartphones demand. Foreign investors noticed, net buying 11,200 shares in just 1 week. That's a huge vote of confidence for a company that most retail investors probably haven't even heard of. Now let's look at the numbers. First half of 2026 revenue came in at 5.112 billion new Taiwan dollars, up 2.45% year-on-year. Not earth-shattering, but then you dig into the May profit numbers and your eyebrows go up. May 2026 net profit was 69.45 million new Taiwan dollars. That's an 801% surge year-on-year, with EPS of 0 new Taiwan dollars and 26 cents. 800%. What's driving it? An improved product sales mix, meaning Taiflex is shifting toward higher margin, more technically complex materials. That's exactly the kind of pivot analysts love to see in a supply chain play. Their best-selling new product right now is high-end flexible circuit board materials for fine-line applications. That's industry speak for we're making the tiny, precise traces that let chips communicate faster and use less power. And they're also developing PTFE-filled high-speed copper-clad laminates, the stuff that helps signals travel at blazing speeds without interference, critical for AI data centers. Plus, they're working on laser bonding materials for temporary bonding, which is used in advanced semiconductor packaging, the same kind of packaging TSMC uses for Nvidia's AI chips. On top of all that, Taiflex has entered a new engineering verification stage for its semiconductor materials. That's a big step toward qualifying for use in chip fabrication, and if they pass, they could become a direct supplier into the TSMC ecosystem. Technically, the stock closed above all its moving averages, with short-term support around the 5-day moving average of 185 new Taiwan dollars. Volume stayed elevated, which suggests the momentum isn't just a flash in the pan. But here's the real takeaway for someone watching from the US. Every time you hear about Nvidia ramping production on its next-generation AI GPU, or AMD pushing more instinct accelerators, remember that those chips don't just need advanced lithography, they need advanced substrates and laminates. Companies like Taiflex are the unsung enablers. If they successfully scale their fine-line materials and get qualified in semiconductor packaging, they become a bottleneck that TSMC, Nvidia, and AMD all depend on. And bottlenecks, as any supply chain investor knows, tend to command premium valuations. So keep an eye on Taiflex. Not because it's going to be the next TSMC, but because in the world of AI hardware, the biggest returns often come from the most overlooked links in the chain.